Everyone, I am Shailendra Dav. Plant layout, a literature review. With rapid increasing demand in production, industry need to increase their potential in production and effectiveness to compete against their rival. Therefore, the way to solve the problem about the production is very important. These are many ways, that is quality control, total quality management, implementation of standard time, and effective plant layout. We concentrate on effective plant layout. According to the many research, plant layout is one way to reduce the cost of manufacturing, increase productivity, and improve the workflow in production routes. The efficiency of production depend on how well various machines, production facility, and employees' amenities are located in the plant. An ideal plant layout should provide optimum relationship among output, floor area, and manufacturing process. It allows flexibility of operation, easy production flow, make economical use of building, and promote effective utilization of manpower. Let us consider the literature review. This literature review is taken from various scientific database. The period that was covered in the search was 1974 to 2018. In 1974, the year Muther SLP come out with second and final edition. Gopal Krishnam Ittal developed a computer-based model that investigate the area of plant layout, material handling and warehousing. The only connection found to SLP was used in reference. Low proposed the use of computer model to analyze the location of auditorium in case of fire. It was developed a help for the qualitative evaluation of the virtual location of people of alternative design. Past researchers have already applied different technique to solve the facility location problem, but most of these techniques are complex mathematical formation while ignoring the qualitative information regarding the criteria value. Randhawa proposed the solution approach to facility location selection problem while integrating analytical and multi-criteria decision making. Hausher and White, Chew, Carey, Grosby, and Ewell are carried out various multi-criteria decision-making tool and technique. Objective of the plant layout. The main objective of plant layout to achieve economics in handling of raw material, work in progress and finished good, to reduce the quantum of work in flow, to have the most effective and optimum utilization of available, to minimize the bottleneck and obstacle in various production process, thereby avoiding accumulation of work at important point. Now, problem identification. Past research have already applied different technique to solve the facility layout selection problem, but most of these technique use complex mathematical formation while ignoring the qualitative data regarding the criteria value. This research attempt to develop model which evaluate the alternative on the various criteria which is not possible in SLP. The proposed model will unable to handle the both type of data, that is qualitative and quantitative. Thank you very much.